Okay, today we're going to talk about putting on the beauty detail parts. So this piece will fit on an A1 Mini diagonally, and I increased the gluing surface here. Now if it was something you think you might want to take off again, I wouldn't put it on with a permanent glue. I'm going to put it on with a permanent glue because I'm an idiot. But probably some E6000 or something, a couple of drops in key locations would be more than sufficient to hold this cosmetic piece on. And again, the whole point of it was because it was impossible to hold and grab this thing, because anywhere you grabbed you were touching a turning gear or a moving leg, and I could only hold it by the very front as long as my hands didn't get in the way of the leg. So I figured if I put some beauty pieces on there, then I could grab the thing any way I want. So that was the whole point behind changing it from a rectangular gearbox frame to match this. And like I say, I'm gonna dab on some fairly permanent glue here. It's not that I couldn't probably chisel this off if I had to. Get in there with a razor blade and a small hammer and smack it a few times. Get a good cut going. You can always do that with super glue too, because it's very brittle. But let's just see how this goes. I'm going to line up the front edge where they meet the body. Really need like another person here right now to apply pressure here in the center. This glue won't take too long to set up, so just hang with me. I mean, it won't fully cure this quick, but it should take to sticking on there pretty good. Now there isn't really a front or back to this yet. I have been thinking about maybe designing even more cosmetic parts, maybe for the top. This is the back side because the switch is back here. But maybe come up with a cab or something back up here, or who knows. Well, let's just find out how things go. You can see things still moving through there. This one doesn't walk quite as smooth as it did before I rebuilt it, because I put a couple of the leg screws in a little bit crooked. It's doing all right. Let's stop it with all four legs down. So there you have it. I'm not quite sure what it is, but there it is.